Changing the language on Twitter can make it easier to use the platform in your preferred language. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to change the language settings on Twitter. First, open your Twitter app and make sure you're logged in. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen to open the side menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Next, choose Accessibility, Display, and Languages. Then, tap on Language. Here, you'll see a list of languages available. Select the one that you prefer. Once you choose your language, Twitter will automatically update to that language, making it easier for you to navigate the platform. That's all. You've now successfully changed the language on Twitter. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.